Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you get followers into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook app in order to get followers into your Facebook. And from there, click to these three bars into top right corner. From there, go to settings. Now after coming to settings and privacy, you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you can see this followers and public content into audience and visibility settings. You just simply have to go there and you can see who can follow me option here. You just simply have to set that in public, and then the people who are not your friends can also follow you into Facebook. And you also have to turn on this who can see your followers on your Facebook timeline into public, and after doing all this setup, people who are not your friends can follow you and also see your followers into your timeline. And now all you have to do post and make contents and reels into your account, and after doing this you'll get followers into your Facebook, and the people can also see those followers into your timeline in the Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.